What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we need to look at some of the major cryptocurrencies. I've also discovered a new technical indicator that hopefully we can use to get in on a new trade, hopefully within the next couple of hours, today, maybe tomorrow, the latest. So I'm excited to go over that. We are going to be looking at XRP, as XRP on the daily charts is forming a massive symmetrical triangle. This is something that we kind of tweaked as of yesterday here to include the most recent wick that we just had 2 days ago. You can see we had a major reversal here, and this is pretty consistent with the way the market has been, as we've seen major wicks above resistance consistently here numerous times in regards to this symmetrical triangle. You can see 3 times on either side here as we kind of fell into this symmetrical triangle and then started to create higher lows and lower highs, filled in the gap beautifully here. And as we're starting to trend like this here, we are going to be making a decision, and hopefully that's one that breaks us to the upside. But at this point, it doesn't even matter which direction we go to, because even if we break downwards here and dump, we're going to get in on a short position and short this to the downside here. And that would also apply if we break through price ceiling, we'll buy in and long. And this is going to happen. It could be as early as today, if not in the next couple of days. These typically break early. We don't usually fill in the gap till the 8th of June here. So we could easily break out this week or today, which is very exciting here. But you can see clear resistance has finally been confirmed here with the top price ceiling. We only had 2 points of confirmation. Now we have 3, which is perfect. So I'm excited for that. I also discovered a new one on Solana here. Solana's daily chart, you can see we've been tracking kind of this massive bull flag breakout here yet again. Beautiful flag pull followed by lower high, lower low pattern. We broke through it right here and started to rally up, which is awesome. And then you can see we had an even smaller kind of bull flag here, which broke us up even higher. And now we're starting to see a bit of consolidation. But what I noticed is we had this major wick as of today. So I zoomed in, and I noticed there's actually a very nice symmetrical, descending fractal forming here. Clear descending triangle, clear bottom support, price floor, price ceiling, 1, 2, multiple points of confirmation on the bottom support, multiple points of confirmation on the top resistance. And you can see we already wicked below it and then confirm closure above it here, which is awesome. So this is going to be big. If we can confirm closure on a 4-hour candle above here, this could break us to the upside, which is what I'd like to see happen here. And that we can then enter a new trade on this and long this to the upside here, as that seems to be where it wants to move to. So I'm excited to go over Solana with you. We'll also be looking at Ethereum, which is heading even higher here. Bitcoin kind of consolidating. S&P 500 consolidating, so on and so forth here. And before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is giving away $350 of free cryptocurrency if you sign up and deposit into the website. It is that simple. It is that easy. There's no tricks. There's nothing to it. Lots of you guys have been doing it, so make sure to claim this as it ends. I think this week. It ends at the end of May here, so make sure to go claim your free cryptocurrency down in the description below. Sign up for free. Join it. Get the new user rewards and the deposit rewards super quick. You can deposit, get your rewards, and withdraw it out. It's that simple here. So make sure to check that out down in the description below. Anywho, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive right into today's episode. So guys, starting off with XRP. You guys love XRP. That's why we're going to talk about it here. But as I said earlier in the video here in the intro, this is pretty solid here. Now, typically when we fall into symmetrical triangles, we usually fall out of it, which is unfortunate. But if it does happen, it is what it is. I don't need prices to break to the upside here to make money now, which is awesome. It used to be that way, but since then, with leverage trading, buying long, selling short, so on and so forth here, we don't need to have a breakout. It gives us much more opportunity to make more money because we can make more trades quicker. So that's awesome. Used to just be on Coinbase. Now we can do all different exchanges, which is super cool. But the main focus is on the symmetrical triangle. Now that we're filling it in, clearly creating a higher low and lower high pattern, because you can see each time we headed up to the upside here, it's lower than the last. And each time we fell, it's higher than the last. It all comes to one point here. This is all going to fill in. And you can see at some point, we're going to have to make a decision because we can't, this isn't sustainable. We're going to fill this in and make a decision here. Are we going to break up or down? Again, doesn't matter which direction as long as we see it, as long as we know when that's going to happen. And we do. We have a date of at the latest. So the earliest could be today. But if we confirm closure, we can buy in and long. Now, here's the kicker. As you saw before, we had a bit of resistance here. So I'd wait patiently for closure, at least above maybe this price ceiling, 55 cents, 54.6, for us to really buy in and long to the upside because of that kind of resistance area that we've had before. But again, if we can close above it, there's a good chance we're going to take that long position and long it up to a price target of about 59 to 60 cents here, which would be absolutely epic here. You can take advantage of it on BYDFI, get your free cryptocurrency with this with the sign up bonus here, and then you can leverage trade it on BYDFI right here. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, whatever you want to do. They even have a welcome reward sign up bonus of over $2,000 in free cryptocurrency using that link down in the description below. So make sure to go get your free crypto. You can see right here down in that link below. Now, moving forward from XRP, looking at other major popular cryptos, it's Solana. This is the big one. I actually saw this morning, and I'm excited I did because I still think we got in early here, and you can see what I mean by that. You can see if this deletes finally, we have discovered a side trend here. You can see clear price floor, clear resistance, and you can see that's solid because we reverse back up. This is huge. This candle right here as of early this morning has shown signs that bulls are nowhere to be messed with here. Bears tried to push us below. It didn't work. We confirmed closure above here, which is huge. There's a good chance with this reversal doji that things look like they want to pop out, and if they do, we'll buy in and long this to the upside here. So I'm getting ready and I'm eagerly waiting for the Solana pop to happen here. This could easily pop us off right here, and that's what I would expect to see happen. Clear flagpole, clear breakout is what's next here, and I think we're going to see just that here. Now you can see the consolidation, clear downtrend and support. This comes to an end by the end of today, so today we're going to have to make that decision whether we break up or down. So I'm excited to see the results of this. I'll obviously get in, we'll leverage trade it, I'll put out a copy trade when the time comes that this does decide to break. We're flatlined out on 50 on the RSI too, which also screams we're ready for a pop. So I'm excited to see the results of that. And then the last thing to focus on, and we'll obviously buy in and long. Wait for confirmation on a 4-hour. If we close the 4-hour above downtrend here, we're buying in and we're going to long this to the upside. It's a piece of cake. Ethereum is already rallying here. I did tell you guys to take your profits. I think you should take your profits. That's just my opinion. I took my profits here. Yes, we're already starting to reverse up, which is annoying because I do think we're going to continue upwards here. We could even retest price ceiling at 41, but we are so freaking overbought that it's only a matter of time before prices start to pull back down. But with this volume here, we could, like I said, we could easily see XRP follow in its footsteps, a much more conservative trade. Same thing with Solana, two very conservative trades where we can make profit. It doesn't just have to be Ethereum for us to capitalize on, although I do believe we're going to be going much higher. But again, what comes up must come down. So that's going to come sooner than later. Even though some of you guys might have missed out on this rally up, we can capitalize on the rally down. Same thing goes with a lot of these cryptos. Bitcoin breaking out of here, again, popping off resistance, having a problem breaking through price ceiling at 71K. We fell back down about 69.8 here. But there's a good chance this could continue higher. But again, major resistances need to be retested, and we're nearing overbought. And if we hit all-time high, we're probably going to correct down first and then break through it at some point later on. But we are bullish on a lot of these cryptos. We just need to be patient until we see those smaller breaks to happen before we start throwing all of our money into these markets. You don't want to get on the other side of things when we start to come down and you have long positions hoping that the markets are going to go up. So be patient and wait on them, because sooner or later, these are going to pop. XRP is going to pop. Solana is going to pop, and we'll be able to take advantage of them at that time. Lastly, the S&P, which is consolidating too. Another reason why we could be correcting is because the S&P is trading sideways here. And this is also a sign that we've hit the top. I'd be shocked if we headed up higher. There's no room for us to head up higher. So I'd more so expect to see correction. That's why we're having such a problem breaking through the all-time or the price ceiling here. We're already at all-time highs, but we're too high up. We need to come back down. We need to correct at least to one of these two levels here first before we can continue to move higher. But with that being said, that is it for today's video. Make sure to join BYDFI down in the description below. Stay up to date with my trades. Links down below as well. Join my Patreon for all my trades, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.